Welcome to the lair of the Batty Boffin.
Welcome back, Batty fans. Here's another adding up with carries. That's what they're often called when it carries over to the next place. Adding up with carries using place value pizzas. So once again, we're going to go up to the thousands. And this time we're going to have, what should we have? Let's have 4,205. And we're going to add on to that 1,947. There you go. There's something. So let's start off by setting this up. I'd like you to pause the video and set up 4,205 here, and then leave a gap, and underneath it set up 1,947. So pause the video and do that now. Okay, welcome back. Hopefully you should have something that looks like this. 4,200, nothing there, and 4,205 plus 1,947. So what we've got here, there's you in your shop as ever. You've got 5 pizzas on your counter ready for selling. You've got none on the shelves. Probably about time you went and got some from the warehouse. Fortunately, in the warehouse, you have 2 boxes of 100. And waiting outside in the car park, you've got 4 trucks, each containing 1,000 pizzas. Your friend rings you up. His poor disaster-laden friend this time, I don't know, a herd of elephants have trampled through his shop and he desperately needs to bring all his stock over to your place. You say, yeah, sure, that's fine. And he brings over 1,000, so that's 1 truck, 9 boxes, so he's got a pretty full warehouse there, 9 boxes of 100, 4 stacks of 10 to go on your shelves, ready for going in the oven later on, and 7 actual pizzas to go on the counter. So you put all your stuff together. And we see what we've got in grand total. Okay, so starting off with the pizzas, you've now got 12 pizzas. Well, there's not room on the counter for 12. So we're going to keep 2 of them. And these 10 we're going to put together into a pile. So we're going to swap 10 pizzas for a stack of 10. So 10 pizzas we swap to a stack of 10. And then there's your stacks. Well, we've got 5 stacks there. That's absolutely fine. They'll fit on your shelves, no problem. And then boxes in the warehouse. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 9. You've got 11. Well, there's not room for 11 in the warehouse. So what you're going to do is keep 1 box in the warehouse, and these 10 we're going to swap for another truck. Each truck contains 10 boxes. So 10 boxes get swapped for 1 truck. So let's see what we've got all together now. We have got 2 in the units. We've got 5 stacks of 10 on the shelves. We've got 1 box in the warehouse, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trucks waiting in the car park. So let's just do that with numbers now, make sure we get the same thing. So over here, we start off by adding up the units. 5 plus 7, 5 plus 7, that's 12, with not room for 12 in there, so we keep the 2. And that 1 carries over as a 10 in the next thing, so it's 10 of them really, but it carries over 1 in the next one, 1 extra pack of 10. Adding up the stacks of 10, we had none originally, plus 4, plus that 1 you've just created, so that makes 5 stacks of 10. Then adding up the hundreds, we've got 2 boxes plus 9 boxes, that's 11 boxes. Can't have 11 in there, so we're going to just keep 1 and put 10 in the next column over, so it becomes a 1 there, an extra 1 truck. And then we've got 4 trucks plus 1 plus another 1, that makes a grand total of 6 trucks. 6,152. So you have a go with these yourselves. You can make up some numbers, set them out with the place value pizzas, smush them all together, and then if you've got 10 or more in any one group, you have to make one in the next group up. I've just gone up to thousands. If you think you're better than that, how about you go up to 10,000s, 100,000s, millions? Make up some really big, humongous sums. Have a go with that and have some fun. See you next time, Batty fans.
Mwahaha! Mwahaha! Mwahaha!